Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review of Hasbro's Beyblade Burst Duo Booster Pack. It comes with D07 TS02 TREPTUNE, which is, Triton Heavy Claw, and D12 TB02 NEPSTRiUS N2. So it comes with a STAMiNA type and a balance type. Now what's kind of funny is this bay, by Hasbro, goes by TREPTUNE Heavy Claw, I believe it is. Give me a second here. And in Japan, it was Triton Heavy Claw. So, yeah. I believe the driver is called Claw. But it almost looks like my computer's a little slow today. Come on. Well, we'll get to that later on. So let's just get this unboxed now. So the stats are attack 0, burst 2, defense 1, weight is 8, agility 1, and 7 for stamina. 5 for attack, 2 burst, 2 defense, 4 weight, 4 agility, and 3 stamina. And D-Lights, WBBA, Sunlights, Hasbro, all that stuff. So yeah. Instructions. So let's get the bays out. So we're going to start off with Neptunus, which is just a recoloring of Neptune. As you can see. Parts are all the same, just recolor layer and recolor driver. So it's Neptunus Vertical Zephyr, and the other one is Treptune Heavy Claw, or Triton Heavy Claw. Which, we'll get to that one later. So, let's see if we can get this to focus. There you go, there is the QR code for Neptunus Vertical Zephyr. And here's the first form, and then here's the second form of it. And then we're gonna get on to this one, the prize bay. The bay that you really want.